Hello and welcome. I'd like to give you a general overview of the new UCloud user interface. Although some of the features seem obvious to you because the system is very user-friendly, I'd like to revisit them anyway, even if you have seen them before. So, for example, if I want to call a landline, let me enter the number here. Just press enter and the system is placing a call. Just disconnect the call for now. Similarly, if I call an extension by clicking on the icon, I can see the extension light is now changing to amber, signaling that user, that phone linked to that user is now ringing. I pick up the call and it turns to red, meaning of course the line is busy. Let me disconnect it. I can, by right-clicking, I can send a text message to that user, an instant message, simply by right-clicking, typing, and selecting instant message window. And so it's as simple as tapping on the keyboard. You have all the department here. If you want to see the other tabs, this is the phonebook tab. So type VOISpeed, for example, and have all the extensions, all the numbers there. So to call any number, you can just click on the handpiece. Similarly, you can edit all the details here, name, surname, and company name. You can make the extension, the phone number visible to everyone, so that you can build with time your own phone book, either with personal contacts, so that nobody can see and nobody can edit, or publish the same contacts for everybody's availability. Now, if I select another contact and make it as a favorite, for example, next time I go into the phone book, the system will show me that contact first. This is really useful, for example, for numbers that I click and I call all the time. So being them customers, suppliers, or personal contact. Under reports, I can see the list of outbound calls, calls received, lost calls, and voicemails. So voicemails that people have received, the people have left on my extension. I can change, by pressing this button, for example, I can change the greeting message. So here I can record a new one, I can play, and of course I can reset the default greeting message. And I can see all the voicemails that I've received for any point in time. This is the chat window. These two other tabs are for user area, for the admin panel of the system, and I will cover that in other videos. So this is all for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will be able to watch the other videos. Thank you.